got this wrecked piece of junk and we turn it into checks. Alright, so hey everybody. Welcome to the very first Turning Wrecks into Checks vlog. We're going to see our very first wreck that we just bought at an insurance auction in East Atlanta. Bought it completely sight unseen. It said it runs and drives, but you know, who really knows? The only thing that I could see that was wrong with it from the pictures, it had a flat tire on the back and they drove it with a flat tire, so the rim is all beat up. Anyway, other than that, I don't see anything else wrong. It's got like 300 and some hours. It left Atlanta yesterday around 3 o'clock. Gonna be here today on a hot shot truck. Pretty excited to go see what kind of deal we got on this. So yeah. How you doing? Sir. Robert Wallace.
Joe.
Nice to meet you. This is Lucas.
Joe. Nice to meet you.
Appreciate you bringing this down for us. They said it runs alright, just had a dead battery?
Dead battery and that tire.
Dead battery and tire?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, cool deal.
We're gonna get it up with the forklift.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get a forklift. Pick it right up. Hey, bro. How you doing? Good.
That's nice looking lawnmower there.
Yeah, man.
Well, we could put a chain around that top. We could bring a battery charger down here and try to boost it and just drive it off with a flat tire.
It's got a dead battery on it, so we'll try to dump it off real quick, see if we can get this thing going. Man, somebody did a number on that thing. I don't know why in the world, if it's got a flat tire on it, it doesn't take 5 minutes to put some more air in it and you don't bend the rim, but you know, that's how they do it. Actually, it may have worked in our favor because I bought it with the rim already bent. So the more damage people see from the pictures, the less they're gonna pay for it. So because this wheel's bent, I actually bought one online for like $100, but you never know, we could have got $3,000 or $4,000 off the price because this wheel was bent. If this wheel would not have been bent, then very easily could have gone for a couple thousand higher than what we paid for. It only cost $100 to get another wheels. But do you want to try it and see if it'll fire up, or you think it's all the way dead? Oh, here's the battery right here. Oh yeah. There you go, bro. All right, that ought to do it. Nice. So, try it now. Got that rubber piece on it. Still ain't doing nothing.
Put it out there to let it charge for just a minute.
Yeah. Alright, so the driver just said that yesterday they had to jump it off to get it loaded on this trailer. So sure enough, when we tried to fire it up today, the battery is dead. So we got the charger hooked up to it, trying to jump it off, and hopefully we can let this sit here and charge for a few minutes, and hopefully we can get it running without having to completely pick it up and move it off. It's got a lot of hoses, a lot of lines up underneath, so we don't want to take a chance on doing any damage to it. Still has the flat tire over there, but the rim's already bent up, so it's not going to make any difference if we bend that. You never know what you're getting when you buy something at auction. You might come here and it don't start or whatever. That's part of the game that you play. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll get it to fire up with another battery in it and it should be good to go, but we'll see. Let's try it and see what he does now. Oh yeah. Fired right up. No smoke or nothing. 394 hours. That's good.
It did yesterday. Every time we hit reverse, we turn off. I don't know if it got the switch or.
That sounds good.
Yeah, got some handbrake on. Yeah, it's like you got a brake on. got it off a little bit less graceful than usual, but we got it. And it does run and drive. That's all they said. They said it runs and drives, but it just doesn't drive backwards. So, so now we know what the main issue is. Alright, so I just wanted to get this out the way so my man can back up there. Really don't want to drive it on that wheel anymore because I'm going to try to save that tire if all possible. I'll try to jack it up, put a block under it, get that wheel off because I've already got another wheel here. So I'm hoping that we stick another tire on there, then we can figure out if it's a switch or wiring or what's making that thing not go backwards. Hopefully not that big a deal, but we definitely know why this was at the insurance auction, and we definitely know why it was going so cheap. Try to get this right here. Oh yeah. I'll try to go get a forklift and just pick it up a little bit with a forklift and just block it up. So I didn't find a forklift, but I did find a hand jack, so it might even work better. So anytime you have a flat surface on a round surface, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but we'll see if it works this time. Nope, it's a 15. Nope, it's a 16. Oh yeah. So, good news is I don't see any cuts or anything. A little bit of dry rot on the sidewall, but oh no. Oh no. So it does have a cut in it. Man, great tread on that tire, but I guarantee you that was because they and myself have been driving this thing. Anyway, not that big a deal. Gonna have to get another tire. Already got another wheel, so got to get another tire for it, but we'll be good to go. We can roll on into the shop. Oh, I think a battery. So we've officially made it on its maiden voyage, and it runs great going forward. So I mean, as long as you mow going forward, it's probably great. Hopefully it's just a wire or a sensor or something. We can get that problem fixed. And then hopefully we can mow in both going forward and going backwards. But I am glad to get it in the shop, get it out of the rain and closer to the tools, and we can work. We got lights, so should be good to go.